In some of the largest emerging market economies, such as India and Brazil, the slowdown is even more pronounced this year.
Delivering her first speech, the IMF chief has bad news for the Indian economy. As India, along with the world, faces an economic slowdown, the new International Monetary Fund chief, Kristalina Georgieva, has warned that the economic slowdown impact will be more pronounced in countries like India. Georgieva said that the global economy is now in a synchronized slowdown and 90% of the countries will see a slower growth in 2019. Growth this year will fall to its lowest rate since the beginning of the decade.
To be precise, in 2019, we expect slower growth in nearly 90% of the world. In other words, the world economy is now in synchronized slowdown. And this widespread deceleration means that growth this year will fall to its lowest rate since the beginning of the decade.
Georgieva blamed trade disputes such as US-China trade war for the global economic sluggishness and also blamed Brexit for the uncertainty. Meanwhile, this has come at a time when India is battling an economic slowdown with auto sales witnessing worst ever drop. RBI has reported 88% drop in credit to the commercial sector. Taking note of the worsening slowdown, the Reserve Bank of India recently cut its economic growth forecast for 2019-20 to 6.1%. If this really turns out to be true, then India's GDP growth will be the lowest since 2012-13, could severely hit job creation and income growth in the near future. It's high time that the Modi government springs into action to lessen the impact of the economic slowdown on the life of Aam Aadmi and deliver on the Achhe Din that the government promised.